Hey guys, welcome to Read Study Run. Today in this video tutorial, I'm gonna tell you that how you can add your YouTube channel to your Facebook fan page, or how can you add the YouTube button to your Facebook fan page as a button. So first you have to do that. You have to go to your Facebook page, log in your account, and just simply search for this link, facebook.com/YouTube tab app and forward slash, and then just press the enter button. After pressing the enter button, you will migrate to this YouTube tab page, and you can also search for the YouTube tab with this name, YouTube space tab. Once you get this page on your screen, just simply press on this use app button. After pressing this button, it will get you to your YouTube tab setting page. In this setting page, you will find out some of the options that you have to fill out for your integration of your YouTube channel to your Facebook fan page. You just need to apply your YouTube channel ID. Just go to your YouTube channel and then copy your YouTube channel ID. After copying this YouTube channel ID, just simply paste your YouTube channel ID in YouTube channel ID or playlist ID. There is nothing to do anything more. Just simply copy and paste your YouTube channel ID, because other option on this YouTube application tab page, and the setting of the YouTube application tab page, it requires some of the options to be enabled before you paid for YouTube fan tab page. As you can see that if I'm clicking on the subscribe button, it will migrate you to the PayPal page, and request you for the payment. So if you don't want to buy this application or YouTube tab fan page for your application page, then just simply supply your YouTube channel ID. As you can see, I have done it here. Just by clicking on this use app button, it will get you to the add tab page. After clicking on the add tab page, it will ask you for your YouTube fan page, on which page you want to apply the YouTube tab page. After selecting your page, just simply click on the add page tab. After that, it will show the settings for the YouTube fan tab page. These are the settings for your YouTube tab buttons for your Facebook application fan page. Just simply copy and paste your channel ID, and then simply click on the save settings. It will get all your videos to your Facebook fan page, and the recent last video will be the bigger banner. As you can see that the last post of your channel will be displayed in this manner, and rest of the videos are displayed under the. As you can see that it allows you to play all of your videos just by clicking without refreshing your fan page. If I click on the simple video, it doesn't refresh my page, just simply play the video in YouTube player. So this is the simple steps to add the YouTube channel to your Facebook fan page, and you can also see your Facebook fan page on the sorry, I mean to say that you can also see your YouTube uh, tab button on your fan page, just like that. In the app portion, this is your YouTube tab video button. Your viewers can just simply click on this button and migrate it to the all of your videos that are integrated in your YouTube channel. So that is a simple steps to add a YouTube uh, fan tab button in your Facebook application page. Do subscribe our channel for more videos and for more information from the Read Study Learn. And thank you for watching this video.